Onions are one of the most widely consumed crops in the world. But what most people don't realize is that they're also one of the most profitable when grown correctly. In this video, you'll learn everything you need to know about onion farming, from planting to harvest, and how to maximize your profit. Number 1. Understanding onion farming. Onions are a cool season crop, but they can adapt to different climates depending on the variety. There are 3 main types: short day onions, intermediate day onions, and long day onions. Each type depends on how many hours of daylight are needed to form bulbs. If you choose the wrong variety for your region, your onions may grow leaves but never form bulbs. Number 2. Best climate and season. Onions grow best in temperatures between 13 degrees Celsius and 24 degrees Celsius. They need cool weather during early growth, warmer, drier conditions during bulb formation. In many regions, planting is done at the start of the dry season, and harvest happens before heavy rains begin. Too much rain during maturity can cause rotting and reduce quality. Number 3. Soil requirements. Onions prefer well-drained sandy loam soil, rich in organic matter. The ideal soil pH is between 6.0 and 7.0. Avoid heavy clay soils because they retain too much water, which can lead to bulb rot. Before planting, clear the land. Loosen the soil and add compost or organic manure. Healthy soil brings bigger bulbs and higher yield. Number 4. Planting methods. There are 2 main ways to grow onions, which are seeds and sets, small bulbs. Seeds is cheaper, takes longer, requires nursery preparation, while sets, faster growth, easier for beginners. Seeds are usually started in a nursery and transplanted after 4 to 6 weeks. Spacing is very important. About 10 centimeters between plants, 20 to 30 centimeters between rows. Proper spacing allows bulbs to grow fully. Number 5. Watering and irrigation. Onions need consistent moisture, especially during early growth. But here's the key. Overwatering can destroy your crop. You should water regularly, but lightly. As bulbs begin to mature, reduce watering and stop completely before harvest. This helps the bulbs dry and improves storage quality. Number 6. Fertilization. Onions are heavy feeders. They need nutrients like nitrogen for leaf growth, phosphorus for root development, potassium for bulb formation. Apply fertilizer at planting, during early growth, and before bulb formation. Too much nitrogen late in the season could delay bulb development. Number 7. Weed, pest, and disease control. Weeds compete for nutrients and reduce yield. So, weed regularly, especially early on. Common pests include onion thrips, cutworms. Diseases include fungal infections, bulb rot. Use proper spacing, crop rotation, organic or chemical control when necessary. Prevention is always better than cure. Number 8. Growth timeline. Onions typically take 3 to 5 months to mature. You'll notice leaves start to fall over. Tops begin to dry. These are signs they are ready for harvest. Number 9. Harvesting. Harvest when 70 to 80% of the tops have fallen. Carefully pull them out or loosen the soil. Do not damage the bulbs, as this reduces shelf life. Number 10. Curing and storage, very important. This is where many farmers lose money. After harvest, dry the onions in the sun for 1 to 2 weeks and allow the outer layers to harden. This process is called curing. Proper curing extends shelf life, prevents rotting, and increases market value. Store in a cool, dry, well-ventilated place. Number 11. Profit potential. Onions are highly profitable because they are always in demand. Prices fluctuate throughout the year. A well-managed farm can produce 20 to 30 tons per hectare, and farmers who store and sell during scarcity often make the highest profits. And last but not the least, number 12. Common mistakes to avoid. Choosing the wrong variety, overwatering, poor storage, selling too early. Avoid these, and your chances of success increase significantly. Onion farming is not just about planting and harvesting. It's about timing, strategy, and understanding the market. If you do it right, it can become a powerful source of income. Thanks for watching. In our next video, we'll break down the most profitable crops you can grow in 2026 and why smart farmers are already preparing for them. Subscribe to Crops in Time so you don't miss out.